Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into an exciting topic that's shaping the future of technology, neural networks. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how machines learn, stick around because we're going to break this down in a fun and easy to understand way. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone recognizes your voice or how Netflix suggests movies you might like? What if I told you that the secret behind these incredible features lies in something called a neural network? Let's find out what that really means. So, what exactly is a neural network? At its core, a neural network is a computer system that's inspired by the way our brains work. Just like our brains consist of interconnected neurons that communicate with each other, a neural network is made up of layers of artificial neurons that process information. Let's break this down further. A typical neural network has three main layers: the input layer, the hidden layers, and the output layer. The input layer is where the data enters the network. For example, if we're trying to teach a neural network to recognize pictures of cats and dogs, each pixel in the image would be an input. Next, we have the hidden layers. These layers are where the magic happens. Each hidden layer consists of multiple artificial neurons that take the input data, apply mathematical transformations, and pass the results to the next layer. The number of hidden layers can vary, and adding more layers can help the network learn more complex patterns. This is often referred to as deep learning. Finally, we have the output layer, which produces the final result. In our cat and dog example, the output layer decides whether the image is a cat or a dog based on what it learned from the previous layers. Now, you might be wondering, how does a neural network actually learn? This is where a process called training comes into play. During the training phase, the neural network is fed a large set of labeled data. For instance, if we're training it to recognize cats and dogs, we'll provide it with thousands of images, each labeled as either cat or dog. While training, the network makes predictions and then receives feedback on whether it was correct or not. This feedback is crucial because it adjusts the connections between the neurons, known as weights. Over time, with enough data and feedback, the network becomes better at making accurate predictions. Let's look at some real-world applications of neural networks. They're used in various fields. In healthcare, neural networks help in diagnosing diseases from medical images, like detecting tumors in X-rays. In finance, they analyze market trends to predict stock prices. Even in art, neural networks can create stunning paintings or music. Another fascinating application is in self-driving cars. These vehicles use neural networks to process data from their surroundings, like recognizing pedestrians, traffic signs, and other vehicles. This enables them to make safe driving decisions. However, it's important to note that while neural networks are powerful, they're not perfect. They require a lot of data to learn effectively, and they can sometimes make mistakes. Additionally, understanding how they make decisions can be a challenge for developers, which is often referred to as the black box problem. So, to recap, a neural network is a computer system inspired by the human brain, consisting of interconnected layers that process data. They learn through training on large datasets and are used in a variety of exciting applications, from healthcare to self-driving cars. The future of technology is bright, thanks to neural networks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And I'd love to hear from you. What topics do you want us to cover next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.